Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back to do a first impression and review on the new e.l.f. concealer. And I also got new kind of lighting. I don't know if it's too bright or if you guys think it looks good. You guys let me know, and don't mind my stubby nails because my other nails are gone. I'm gonna get a new set tomorrow. So by the time you guys see me next time, I'll have pretty nails again. So don't mind my stubby fingers because they're like so little. But anyways, I'm so excited to be reviewing this product for you guys because supposedly the reviews that I've been, well, not the reviews, like the YouTube, you know, community or whatever, they've been comparing it to the Tarte concealer. I don't have the Tarte concealer, so I won't be doing like a comparison of it. So I'm just going to be reviewing it to see how it, you know, works out and see if it's good. And it's only $5, you guys. So it's like really cheap, and they have like a whole line of colors. So they have various colors. I got 2 colors. I got the well, I ordered one online, and then I got one at my Walmart because I didn't know that my Walmart had them. Because the last time that I checked, they didn't, but I went to Walmart and I got the color medium peach, and then online I got medium sand. And so these are the packagings that it come with, and to me I feel like the colors are almost similar, so we'll see. I'll try on the medium sand. Well, I'll swatch them both for you, the medium peach and medium sand. I'll swatch in the back of my hand to see which one will fit me better. They do both look a little light. I do like it lighter though. I like it on the lighter side because I like to do that highlight look still, you guys. So if you guys want to see if I like this concealer, then keep on watching. This is how it looks out of the packaging. It almost does resembles like the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, like how it looks, and it's like glass, you guys. It's a glass. That's really cool. It does have the dual full applicator. Okay, so this one is medium sand and that one is medium peach. So they almost look the same to me. This one's just a little tad like darker, but not as much. So it's like really hella light. See, and I was gonna get the darker shade too, but my sister thought it was too dark. But we'll try them out. So I'm actually going to put on medium sand. I'm going to try that one first. Don't have anything on my face. I just have my primer on my skin, and then I did my eyes. But I do want to see how it fits all together with my makeup. So I zoomed you guys out really close and personal. And if I still sound sick, I'm sorry, because I still am. I got my vitamin C going on here. This is like the 4th day taking it, and I feel like it does nothing, but I will continue taking it to feel like it does something. So I'm going to apply it under my eyes. And the consistency when I first apply it does feel thick, so that does make me happy because when it's thick, it means it's full coverage. So I do like that. This color almost reminds me of the NARS Custard, how light it is, which is okay because we'll make it work. And I'm going to blend it out using my e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. That shit's like hella light, you guys. But it feels like it's easy to blend out. And it doesn't have no scent to it. Whoa, are you guys scared? It's like really light, but like I said, we're gonna make it work. So right away, it's easy to blend, but this side dried really quickly, so it dries really fast. So it was kind of harder to blend out. So what I would do is apply it first and then blend it, and then apply the other side and blend it right away because it was a little harder to blend out because it did dry. But it didn't settle in my lines, which I'm happy about. You see that? It's like really, really light. But that's okay. So it did blend out nicely. When you first apply it, it blended out really nice and creamy. And it is thick, and it is full coverage. So yes, I do like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the rest of my face, and then we're gonna set it to see how it looks overall. I'm gonna be applying my L'Oreal foundation. You guys know that this is my favorite. So I put my foundation on, you guys. So what I'm going to do to make it all even, I'm going to apply the concealer like on my forehead, on my nose. That way it is even everywhere, so it's not like just like boom, like super light under my eyes. So I'm just going to do that. Just blend it out really quickly. So that way, because it does dry fast, that way it doesn't get all hard to blend. And then I'm just gonna set under my eyes and my whole face with this collab powder, and I do have it in the sand beige. This is my first time actually trying it. Juicy Jazz, if you guys watching her YouTube, got me on it because she said it's so good. So we will see. So I'm gonna set under my eyes and then on my whole face. So this one is kind of more of my skin tone, this powder. So it is going to neutralize the concealer. Ooh, this is like really fine powder. And then the rest I'm just going to set it with my brush. You guys, what? She wasn't lying about this powder. That powder blended out really good. And I'm just going to take my Sigma E35 brush and then just blend the rest of the powder under my eyes. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and applied the rest of my makeup on. I set it and it's been sitting there for a few minutes. So overall, the concealer looks really good. If you guys can see, it didn't settle like into my creases. So I'm really impressed, you guys. Like, do you guys see how good it looks like with the rest of my makeup? And it is full, very full coverage, so just the one application works really well, because if you put two, it's gonna be like really thick, girl. So yeah, you guys, like, it looks bomb. Do you see how just looks so good? I'm really impressed. It was just a little bit too light for me, so I am gonna get the darker shade. I'm gonna keep that one just too high, but I think, I don't know, I might take it back because it is a little bit too light. But the coverage is like really good. It is full coverage and it didn't settle into my lines right away. So what do you guys think? I love it so far. So I'm going to keep wearing it throughout the day. I'm going to go run some errands and then I'll keep you guys updated in the description bar below to see if it, you know, crusted off or, you know, come off, or if it just, you know, didn't work well. But right now it is working really good. It didn't settle and it's doing good. So I am really impressed, you guys. I do recommend it. It just looks good. Like, damn, Elf has been doing like a really good job. Like, they've been on point with their stuff lately. Like, yeah. But this concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys let me know if you guys bought yours already, if it worked for you, if you guys liked it. And it's only $5, you guys. That price you can't beat. And they have a whole range of shades. But thank you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.